Guys, this is Sahil, and in this video I'm going to show you two ways in which you can use Discord in your computer. So the first and the most easiest way is to just use Discord directly in your browser, and second is to install Discord in your computer. I'll show you both the way. So for that, just open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome in my case. So for the browser one, just go to discord.com .com/login. Just hit enter, and here login, just enter your ID and just enter your password and click on login, and this will redirect you to the browser based Discord. And the problem which you will face here is that if you are using this for streaming audio or video, you will face some issues, right? The stream won't be clear, it will have some buffering. So for that you have to install Discord in your computer. So for that, just head over to discord.com/download. Okay, now click on download for Linux and click on tar.gz. Okay, so 10 seconds remaining. 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now open the folder. I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it into my desktop. After that, just right click and click on extract. Done. Now open the folder. So this is basically your launcher. Just click on this and this will launch your Discord, right? So this is the Discord. Now here you can type your email and password, and this will log and the Discord will work in your computer. So guys, thanks for watching.